Welcome, amazing, badass business owners. I am Coach Ann Evanston, your host of Unscripted as Fuck, and I am thrilled to have you with us for another show today where bold, badass business women get together and give real value in 10 minutes or less because we know you're busy and you need to make things happen. I am thrilled to introduce you to my guest today. Michelle Heberling is a fermentation educator. And if you guys know me, I like fermented food. She's an
Woohoo.
author and a professional myth buster of modern wellness nonsense. She helps people rebuild digestion, energy, and confidence by feeding themselves and their microbes real food instead of powders, pills, and empty promises. Ooh, I love alliterations too. Her work connects soil health, fermentation, and a modern health crisis with humor, honesty, and an unapologetic poop talk. She's the author of The Guts of Fermentation and lives by one simple rule. Want to save money and feel better? Ferment your damn food. Hi, Michelle.
Hi, Anne. Thank you so much for having me today.
I'm thrilled to have you, and I love that introduction. And I'm excited to get started. I've even used some of your words in all my questions because I loved it so much. So here we go
Yay.
today. We're going to talk with sales. And, because to me, to be a business owner, if you're not selling shit, then what the hell are you doing, right?
Right.
So you say that laughing heals. So how can laughing help people sell more in their businesses?
How can laughing more help people sell more in business? Well, you can't be stressed.
Mm.
If you're stressed, you're throwing out into the universe that you are not ready to receive. And
Mhm.
if you're laughing, you're relaxed, you're happy, more things come to you.
Oof.
It's simple. Yeah.
I love that. And I really thought you would say, well, if you're on the toilet all day long because you're because your
We
gut
will
doesn't
talk
think
poop,
you're
that's for
funny.
sure.
Yet I love your answer because it's so true. If you're constantly stressed about what you have to do, what you need to get done, that damn checklist that you just keep adding shit to it, then you're going to find that the universe shuts down on you and
It
doesn't create the
does.
abundance you want.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. You
so
have
good.
to be what you want. And if you're not happy, good things are not coming to you. It's almost like a gray cloud will hang over your head. But if you're
Yeah,
happy, the sun is shining and
yeah,
good things will come your way. It's great.
yeah. I love that. Great answer. Okay, so let's do a little sassiness right now. I understand completely that you love talking about poop.
Yes, I
So,
do.
what is one shitty thing you had to release in order to have success?
What is one shitty thing I've had to release in order to have? I had to get out of my own way.
Ah,
I had to get out of my own way. If you are in your way, if you are backed up, if you just have too much going on and you've got that crazy voice in your head saying woulda, shoulda, coulda, you're never
mm,
going to get anywhere. You have to let that go to be
yeah.
able to accept the new and feel good. And yes, it is a lot like taking a
Mhm,
poop because let me tell
mhm.
you, when you release those toxins, you are like a brand new person.
Yeah. Oh God, it's such a good analogy, right? It's really a good analogy. And you said a minute ago, I caught on you. I don't even know if you realized you said it. If you're all backed up.
I
And I'm
did.
like,
I didn't
literally
know if you
and
would catch it.
I did, literally and figuratively, right? If
Yes,
you're all backed up literally and figuratively, you have to release it to have success in your life, however you define success.
right.
Yeah.
Very true.
Oh, good. Okay. So self-love. Let's talk about self-love. And I'm a
Okay.
real believer that the body is an extremely important part of self-love and a complete picture of self-love. So what's one thing that would help women be happier and more satisfied in their life and work from the body perspective?
So, one thing that would make women happy is if they start eating fermented foods.
Mm,
Fermented foods, hits your gut, and your gut is like your second brain, and there's a gut brain axis.
Mhm.
And it is so true. When you start eating fermented foods, it's bright, it's tangy, it's crisp, and it kind of gives you this light step in your walk. And it releases endorphins and dopamine, and it makes you happy. So if
Mm.
you're eating fermented foods, in my program, I say eat them 3 times a day. It's only a teaspoon to a tablespoon.
Yeah.
Just take a
Yeah.
bite and go on your day. And you know what? You will be happier. And I
I
know
so
this from fact.
Yeah, I know. And this is where guys, go read her stuff down below this video, because this is where she's an expert at. And any of you that follow me on social know how my husband and I feel about gardening and fermenting food, our own food. And it's so interesting too for you to say that, because I think a lot of women have an image of what fermentation is. Like it's this horrific, salty, nasty tasting thing that they bought at the grocery store again.
Yes. Yes. And a lot of people don't really know what fermentation is versus canning. They just
Yes.
know it as preservation,
Yes.
preserving. And
Yes.
it is
It's not.
live food. You are
Yes.
getting the food directly from your garden into your body with the microbes on it, and those microbes are what heals you.
Yes. I love that, because that's, when somebody says to me, "Oh, I can't stand sauerkraut," and I say, "Is it fermented or is it canned?" And they're buying that canned stuff, right? And
That
it's
stuff is
not
nasty.
clean. It's nasty. Well, you're so close to where we live. Once a year, Earl and I often do a hot dog party, and all of our ferments from our garden help make up the hot dog menu. So maybe someday we'll connect with that.
Yes, I
No,
love that idea.
so let me ask some associations with you, just some fun to get to know you. Carrots or apples?
Carrots,
Love that. Okay. Reality TV or a documentary?
documentary,
Any day, huh?
any day. I love to learn.
Okay,
Reality
cool.
TV, I don't really have the time to listen to
Yeah.
somebody else's reality. I don't care.
Yeah, I love that too, because my husband, people get worked up. My husband's an, ex All-American, sports guy, does not watch football. And they're like, they can't believe it. He's like, I would rather live my life than watch somebody else living theirs.
So true.
Yeah.
So
So
true.
he's with you on that. Okay. So last question. If you had my Japanese katana in your hand right now, you'd cut through what?
Well, I don't have any chickens this year, so I would cut through my yard. All the rain we've had, our weeds are like 3, 4 feet high, and I need them to be cleaned up. My chickens always did that for me.
Yeah, they
This is
were
the
your
first,
lawnmower.
yeah, this is the first winter without my chickens. So I'd
Okay.
also cut through all the noise in life and hone in and focus in on what I'm doing.
I love that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just be at peace with what you love.
Yeah.
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 I love that. Okay, good. Thank you for this. So I know I've got everything written down below this video. Ladies, go read it. Audience, go read it. See her links and stuff. Yet, if they want to find you right now, or if you have some special offer, do you have something you want to share with them right now?
So I'm offering a free 2 week Gutsy Reset
Mhm.
program where it talks all about how you can completely reset that gut and feel 100 times better. I, and I don't know why people don't know how to do this. It's very simple. It's
So
7
easy.
steps. It's not overwhelming. And
Mhm.
then I have a lot of information about the book when it's coming out, and programs tied to the book. And there'll even be fermentation kits that you can pick up if you
Cool.
want to follow along and make your own ferments. And
Guys,
to do that,
I'm
it's on my website,
yes, and all
the
those links
guts,
are down below.
yeah, the
So
guts of fermentation.com.
I would tell you all right now, go do that 2 week reseeding. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to tell you right now, if you are taking, even if you take a probiotic every day, I'm going to tell you right now that Michelle's going to change your life. I'm telling you right now. Okay. So
Can I just say
go
something really quickly?
really
Do I
quick.
have a moment?
You have a
Okay.
moment.
I will tell you, I had major bleeding as I was going through menopause. I had a tooth infection that threw me in the hospital. I had a knee that, a root meniscus that blew out, and a car accident all within 5 years. My system was completely a mess. I did
Messed.
my gutsy reset and I came back.
Yeah. I'm telling you guys, and her and I could tell these stories for an hour for you guys, because I have one too. I have the same kind of story. Started with bacterial pneumonia, and it just ended up into a torrentious hell. And it's
Oof.
understanding how to naturally fix your gut. That's the key. And
Listening to
Michelle is,
yourself.
yes, and Michelle has the answers for you guys. So I'm a huge fan of what you do. Huge, huge, huge fan. Anybody
Thank
who asks,
you.
I'm sending them to you. So everybody give a big thank you to Michelle for her incredible interview today, and a mic drop because she slayed for all of you. Please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you come to see the next woman in business and support each other in our success together. And join my Badassery Business Group, because we continue to learn and grow and lift as we climb as a tribe. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, audience. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.